everyone, today I'll be unboxing the AirPod Pro 3s from DHgate. They do come in this red box, so once you open them up, you'll see the lookalike of the Apple box. Once you open the box up, you'll see the instruction manual. To pair the AirPods, all you have to do is open the case and they should pop up on your phone. Once they do, they'll ask you to double tap the front of the case and then it should connect. Once you're in your settings, you'll see different listening modes like noise cancellation, transparency, and adaptive. You can also customize either your left or right AirPod to the listening mode that you prefer. At the bottom of settings, you'll see the serial number that will match up with the box, and this pair actually comes with Apple Care, so if I were to put it into the Apple website, they will pop up. They also come with extra ear tips, extra small, small, and large. Stem controls work really good, sound quality is really good. To increase the volume, you just scroll up, and to decrease it, you just scroll down. Pause and play is 1 tap. To skip a song is 2 taps. To go back to a song is 3 taps. I also wanted to mention that things like the head gesture, live translation, and heart rate don't work on these AirPods. Overall, I truly do really like these AirPods. I think the sound quality is good. They're very sturdy and they're comfortable in your ear. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Towards the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to purchase these AirPods if you're interested on DHgate. In the description, you'll find my milkshake link. Once you see that, you'll see the third link. It says the best one-to-one AirPods. Scroll down and select AirPod Pro 3 and C, the best A and C. If you're in Canada and it doesn't allow you to ship, just change it to China.